it's your hair girl and I am back with another video. What better video to film than a wig dyeing video? Multi-Fashion Week starts tomorrow and I was inspired to try a really cool color, really cool like hairstyle to show off to all the other influencers. So I'm really super excited for this video, especially because A, the wig that I'm gonna be dyeing, and B, the color and brand that I'm gonna be dyeing it to with. I got a brand new bleach blonde human hair full lace wig from VP Fashion. VP Fashion, okay, where is the box? I have been working them for what, like 2 years now or over? They have really good hair extensions, but they also have an amazing assortment of wigs. It's really human hair, so I'm really super excited to be working with them again. And this time around they sent me hair color is 613, which is platinum bleach blonde. It's basically untoned bleached hair, but it doesn't tell me the length. I'm gonna go ahead and assume it's like 14 inches. It's a layered cut, so it's not all one length, which is really cool if you want to create like hairstyles, because you can do a lot of volume up here. It is full lace over here, which is really cool. But the really cool part about this video is the color that I'm going it for. I'm really super happy to say that today I am going to go neon coral. Guy Tang released a brand new color. He's got his own color line, hashtag mydentity. If you haven't heard of it, check it out, it's insane. I've never used his direct dyes, which means that it is a semi-permanent color that doesn't need developer. And the colors that I'm going to be using is Cosmic Coral. Just because I do want a bit more spaz into it and I want more of a red aspect into it, I'm also going to be mixing in a tiny bit of this color called Crimson Spell, which is kind of like a magenta, dark red, whatever. I'm just going to add it into the coral just to add a hint more of red into it rather than orange. Making it very clear, these are salon use only. If you want to try these, please go to your local salon and ask if they can do it for you. These colors are really good. If not, tell them to stock them, because they're really nice. Cool, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so I accidentally miscalculated how pink the Crimson Spell was. So apparently from coral, we're going kind of really shocking pink, which I'm excited for. So I've just rinsed the color from the wig and I'm realizing that it is very bright, very pink. So I'm actually going to give it a very quick bleach wash to kind of lighten the color just a bit. With a bit of hot water, I'm gonna put a bit of shampoo in it and a bit of bleach, letting it soak for a little bit and hopefully lightening the color up enough. 10 minutes, like checking on it, and then I'm gonna rinse it again and condition it. Now I'm just very lightly going to bleach the knots right over here. So I'm going to mix a very thick batch of bleach together, applying it on the roots and leaving that for another 10 minutes. Here I am. Oh my god. I feel so cute. I feel so much like Barbie, in all honesty. I really love the combo of pink and white, and because the roots are darker than the ends, which is, you know, how I dyed them, I thought it would be a great sort of a look. So really recap about kind of like the hair dyeing process. I applied the first combo of the dye onto my roots first, but then I noticed I was kind of running low, so I mixed in a white conditioner with it, which diluted the color a bit, which I am living for because it has like different kind of, I don't know if it picks it up on camera, but it's got like darker and lighter bits. So I very quickly mixed up a bleach bath, which is hot water, shampoo, and a bit of hair bleach, and I just soaked the wig in it for literally like 7 minutes until the color faded, just until it was the perfect bubblegum pink. And then I just kind of air dried it. I styled it in these cute beach waves. And I'm livid. I am over here. They put like a bit of fabric, which it's so stiff that it like stays naturally. So if you don't want to glue down the wig, you don't have to, because it is designed to fit onto it. But because today is the first day of fashion week, I decided to be extra secure and literally just glued this front bit here. So this is all I glued, this is all it is. It looks insanely natural. I literally did nothing to it. Everything's going to be linked down in the description box below, from the wig link, okay, definitely check that out. I'll see if I can add some coupon codes, to the hair dye description. Try the Guy Tank Direct Dyes. I think it turned out insane. I feel like the look is stunning as is. I love like everything on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.